The Sony A9, A7R3 and the A7 III have dual card slots. There's different ways you can set them up, so I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. The bottom SD card port is card slot 1. This is an SDXC 2 slot. The top port is slot 2 and it's SDXC 1. SDXC stands for Secure Digital Extended Capacity, and they can handle cards up to 2 terabytes. The SDXC2 cards from Sony boast speeds up to 300 megabytes per second transfer speeds and up to 299 megabytes per second write speed, whereas the SDXC1 cards are a little slower. So the bottom card slot is the faster one and the one that I use as my primary card slot. You can either shoot with one card in or both cards in. If you're doing any kind of professional work, I'd suggest backing up on both cards. Go to tab 5. This is the yellow toolbox tab, and then select number 6 of 7. Select Record Media Settings. Here you have 3 options. Priority Record Media does what it says. It prioritizes which card slot it will record to. Recording Mode has a few options within it. Standard records all videos and photos to whichever slot you've set to priority. Simultaneous Pictures records video and pictures to your priority designated slot, and then pictures to the second card. Simultaneous Video records video and pictures to your priority designated slot, and then video to the other card. Simultaneous Both records everything to both cards. Sort breaks up RAW and JPEGs while recording video to the priority card. Sort Pictures and Video records video to one card and pictures to the other. When you have Auto Switch Media on, it will detect the card in whichever slot you use. If I'm shooting an event, I'll have priority set to card slot 1, and then I'll back up simultaneously to both, so both video and photos are going to both cards. This means I'm making a backup as I'm taking the photographs or shooting video. If I'm just shooting for myself, I'll put the card in slot 1, I'll have it switched to standard, and I'll have auto select off. And that's about it. You have lots of different options with dual card slots. I save to one card if I'm shooting for myself, and then I'll save to both cards if I'm on a professional shoot. How you set it up is up to you. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell. Also, head over to my YouTube channel where I have a growing library of tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.